If you're looking to make some extra money on the side, there are a few options you can consider. One easy and straightforward way to supplement your income is to watch ads for money. Earning money watching ads is easy, and there are many different ways to do it. It won't make you enough money in passive income to quit your day job, but it can still give you a quick and sustainable cash boost to help you save some money or purchase that special something you've been eyeing for some time now. Number 1. Nielsen TV ratings. Nielsen works slightly differently from the other sites on this list, but it's still worth knowing about. For starters, it pays you to watch TV and use your devices how you regularly use them today. There is no Nielsen website. Instead, you will download the Nielsen app on your smartphone and software for any other computer devices. The app then sends Nielsen anonymous data about how you use your devices. They do not collect the content of visited websites and do not collect user ID, passwords, or other personal information. All this data helps build a larger picture of consumer behavior, which is very valuable to marketing companies. In return, Nielsen pays you to be a part of this process. Must be 18 years old to join Nielsen. Get paid for watching TV. Additional scratch-off and wheel spin games to earn rewards. Sweepstakes rewards of $10,000 are given away monthly. Number 2. Prize Rebel. Prize Rebel is another membership rewards site offering cash to watch ads. It also has hundreds of gift card options including Amazon, PayPal, Visa, and Google Play. The minimum payout is low and quick as well, with redemption starting as low as $2. Sign up is quick and doesn't require much personal information. You can either sign up with an email address or through your Facebook account. Prize Rebel has been around since 2017 and has paid out more than $22 million to its members. So they are definitely a legit way to watch ads for money. Must be 18 or older to join Prize Rebel. Easy sign up through Facebook. You can choose gift cards from Amazon, PayPal, Visa, and Google Play. Redemptions start as low as $2. Number 3. Quick Rewards. Quick Rewards is another legit website that allows you to watch ads for money. They also offer a number of different incentive-based activities like taking surveys, shopping online, reading emails, and doing other online tasks you normally do anyway. You have a variety of informational and educational videos and ads to choose from concerning things like news, pop culture, lifestyle, and more. In total, Quick Rewards offers over 50 different ways to redeem your points, making this a truly extensive program to earn extra cash. You can withdraw as little as 1 cent when choosing PayPal or $5 should you opt for a gift card. Must be 18 or older to join Quick Rewards. Cash withdrawals start at 1 cent. Over 50 redemption options. Quick payment processing. Number 4. UQBiz. UQBiz works like an advertising agency. This means that not only can you get paid to view ads, watch videos, take surveys, and complete tasks online, but also promote your business. The site boasts close to 400,000 members, and they have delivered over 75 million ad views since its inception. If you refer other people, UQBiz had a referral program that pays a 15% commission rate. The minimum withdrawal amount varies according to membership status, ranging from $2 all the way to $8. Must be 16 years of age to sign up. Has a referral program. Allows you to promote your business. Number 5. Earnably. Earnably is another site where you can watch ads for money. They also pay you to complete special tasks for points that you can redeem for gift cards and wallet codes. The minimum payout is only $1. But what sets Earnably apart from other apps is that if you get friends and family to also sign up, you get 10% of the points that they earn for the lifetime of your account. So be sure people new to your network use your referral link. Earnably also provides you with a reward amount and also a time estimate on how long each task will take, so you can be selective about which tasks are worth your time. Must be 18 or older to join Earnably. Redeem points for gift cards and wallet codes. Minimum payout of $1. Earn 10% of points from referrals for life. Number 6. AdWallet. AdWallet is a relatively new player in the market, having paid out just over $1 million to its members. Unfortunately, they don't offer an app, so when you watch ads for money, it must be done in a web-based browser. The payouts are higher than some other options, between 50 cents to $3. but the options are limited, both in the number of available ads to watch and the variety of ways you can make money. This separates it from sites like Swagbucks, through which you can also make money by filling out surveys, online shopping, and searching the web. AdWallet is primarily a platform for making money by watching video ads and then taking short surveys about them. But AdWallet does tell you upfront how much you will earn for each activity. The minimum threshold to cash out is $10, which is higher than the others we are recommending. Available to people aged 13 and older. Browser-based, no app. Minimum cash out of $10. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.